Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best fat tire folding electric bike. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, FLJ. Model number, BFISPORT. Highlights a 250-watt amazing engine and 6.4 ampere-hour lithium battery to take into account up to 30 km cruising range and 25 km per hour maximum velocity. It highlights front fork suspension to give an open-to-the-riding experience. It is folding and advantageous to store, extraordinary for driving, end-of-the-week outings, and shopping. The BFISPORT erases most of the shortcomings of its predecessor and offers an ideal solution for short city trips. Its assistance proves to be very efficient overall, as does its handling and comfortable range. The fact that it can be fully folded adds yet another argument to the machine, especially for those who live in apartments. Its scooter mode, although debatable, still brings a real plus for getting out of certain situations in the city. A real good surprise, at a very low price considering the competition, even if it remains to be seen how the bike will hold up over time. You can defeat slants in the request for 15%. This bicycle has an accelerating sensor that works precisely like the quickening agent. It feels when you pedal and turn on the motor. The help, nonetheless, shows up later than expected and powers to make the primary pedals without help. The compact size electric scooter gives you so much. Also, it uses the material of aluminum alloy. Number 4. Brand name, Milo. Model number, MX21. 48-volt 500-watt brushless motor. Strong power will add fun to your journey. The maximum speed of the motor is about 40 km per hour and the gradability can reach 30 degrees in common road condition. 20 into 4.0-inch grease tires are wear resistant and not easy to burst. The wheel granules are thickened, non-slip and have good drainage. 100% aluminum folding frame for quick folding and easy storage. 48-volt Li battery supports about 1000 times recharge. Full charge takes 5 to 6 hours. 3 riding modes, by full electric, by pedal assist mode and by yourself. You can choose the pure electric mode to enjoy a relaxing time and also can use it for exercising. Number 3. Brand name, Milo. Model number, MX20. 48-volt 500-watt brushless, high-speed, rear motor. If you can try to experience, you must feel amazed at its power. The LCD display can monitor the speed, battery usage and cycling trip distance. The aluminum alloy frame is made of durable 6061 aluminum alloy, which is light and strong. Front and rear mechanical disc brakes. 20 into 4.0-inch fat tires can make riding more stable to meet all road conditions such as snow, road, beach and MTB mountain. The strong high-strength steel fork and 7-speed shift system can give you a comfortable and safe ride. Tackle the tough sand, snow or road with ease. And the frame is made of durable 6061 aluminum alloy. Full suspension fork. Offers smooth cushioning and shock absorption when cycling on rough terrains, enjoying the stimulant during your ride. The powerful force can easily climb a 30 degrees slope. Save electricity and labor during daily driving. This makes long-distance travel easier, more powerful and more unstoppable. Equipped with LCD display, you can more conveniently view the driving data, such as speed, battery level, odometer, etc., as well as change the pedal assist level according to the road conditions. Number 2. Brand name, Gunay. Model number, MX-01. Milo MX-01 is a super cool high-power bike with an all-aluminum frame, built-in battery, and powerful motor. The Milo MX-01 promises you fantastic rides on city roads and exhilarating weekend adventures on mountain roads or sandy beaches. Bike is very portable due to its innovative folding design. MX-01 adopts a domestic famous XOD hydraulic oil brake. On the basis of equipped with dual sick brakes, the hydraulic oil brake system is upgraded again to make your riding safer. The brake feeling and stability are greatly improved, and it has higher security. Check the speed, distance traveled, power remaining, and speed adjustments at a glance on the large LCD screen with HD display. You can ride in the rain too, as the screen is protected by a tough plastic case that is waterproof. 1000 watt brushless motor, strong power will add fun to your journey. The maximum speed of the motor is about 40 km per hour. The motor has a speed limit function, 48 volt 12.8 ampere hour battery. Battery life is approximately 60 to 90 km and 40 km. Number 1. Brand name, Jingma. Model number, R7. The electric bicycle R7 adopts a high-strength aluminum alloy frame. The battery is built into the frame of the frame, which not only saves space, but also makes the bicycle's exterior design more attractive, while also ensuring its safety and durability. The operating area is equipped with switches, lights, horns, indicator lights and speed buttons. Even if you have never ridden an electric bike before, you can learn all the functions quickly. The R7 is foldable and easy to carry, and fits in the trunk of most touring cars. Cycling to watch games and concerts can also help you avoid traffic jams and reach your destination quickly. During the holidays, cycling trips with friends or family are also a pleasure. The electric bicycle R7 is equipped with a double-disc oil brake and a power-off system. When you brake, the electric bicycle will cut off the power and turn on the braking system. Let the electric bicycle stop quickly to ensure driving safety. The R7 uses a dual shock absorption system with a 20 into 4.0-inch fat tire, which allows the vehicle to have a good shock absorption effect on daily roads, and can better adapt to various road conditions such as snow, highways, beaches, and mountains. 800 watt high power engine, waterproof, dustproof, noise reduction, high torque, strong power. The wheel has a large contact area with the ground, and the ability to resist pins is stronger.